What are proteins?
Proteins are large molecules made up of smaller building blocks called amino acids. They're found in foods like meat, dairy, beans, and nuts. In our bodies, proteins play many roles, including building and repairing tissues. For muscle growth, protein is especially important because muscles are largely made of protein themselves.
How proteins are digested?
When you eat protein-rich foods, digestion begins in the stomach. Stomach acid and enzymes break down proteins into smaller chains of amino acids. These chains are then further broken down in the small intestine, where they become single amino acids that the body can absorb and use.
Protein absorption in the body.
After proteins are fully broken down, amino acids are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. From there, they travel to different tissues in the body. Muscles, organs, and other cells draw on these amino acids to repair and grow.
Muscle protein synthesis.
Muscle protein synthesis is the process by which your body builds new muscle proteins using the amino acids you've absorbed. This process increases after exercise, especially when you eat enough protein. Regular resistance training and adequate protein intake both trigger the body to build and repair muscle tissue.
Balancing breakdown and growth.
Muscle tissue is constantly breaking down and being rebuilt. When muscle protein synthesis exceeds breakdown, muscles grow. Getting enough dietary protein, exercising properly, and allowing time for recovery are key to supporting this balance and promoting muscle growth over time.